Mema Obibi Akwaba Eba GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Remo. Aye KT can we tell her what is ye Paa Kwesi Nduom so aye na no na Paa Kwesi Nduom Eddie and Sammy eba to gba FIA GM back on any lines are upon age be 6 years in within some to gba na no na KT Akufo-Addo capitalization FIA Paa Kwesi Nduom aba to gba. Now, some of the similarly in our so when you subscribe to the channel now, say over subscribe. No, I like it. Now, I share video. No, whatever I say over click the subscribe button. No, now I barely notification. No, when say video for be upload. No, also when say ever can be. After we are now like video, no, give us a thumbs up. Now, watch it, share my offer for so. Now when you be now one shit. I feel young call and similar. Aye na no na Paa Kwesi Nduom ade betu bia wo chese aye GN bank aye 6 years ni aye Akufo-Addo na ban one buy banking sector clean up one egu aye banking 6 years ni Paa Kwesi Nduom siska na wa ban hono abe ya ban only siska no tia contractors na se ko so be siska na one bi etu aye customers no na Paa Kwesi Nduom ni sanse betu bia aye send dia amfo ka ho se ma wana sika akokam nyina woni ni abre. Now when I KT in some way buy na KT for na no to ma watch say aye Paa Kwesi Nduom aye 2016 or cancelity aye Mahama or say aye calculation. Now some aye Paa Kwesi Nduom cultural say we must vote out the Mahama government and bring a leader who can create the enabling environment for businesses to grow and create jobs for our youth. And again you Akufo-Addo na buy one buy here o banking na ebunu ama say biaye basa na kiti ati sim so ene wa to bi dia mane eye papa wo de nsem do na ara na to jafa eye Paa Kwesi Nduom ho ye semre ye tie ye kiti no reaction efa eye sanse wo say eye calculation ntie nsema eye kiti di to da ntie nsema
we eye statement bi a efri eye papa ye friend Paa Kwesi Nduom. Yeah, Paa Kwesi Nduom. Over the weekend, me who say Paa Kwesi Nduom a press conference and I BB kase waba na ejuma wura na ono na ejuma ejina na so pa oye ejuma ye obo no homoden onye sika e ma aban a friend MPP aban ba ye no aban ne be den abegu na ejuma nyina ma ne sika ahye nti o ka kire aban ne say aban foforo bi a ebebe bia no ono wa ready say sa aban ne betua ne sika ma no. Paa Kwesi, you dug your own hole, dig yourself out. This is what Paa Kwesi Nduom said in 2015. Time and John Mahama eteso and as that time your Paa Kwesi Nduom said where do you jumara. That was those times no you respect Paa Kwesi Nduom say wa bobra wa fani pejuma sata na Paa Kwesi Nduom ye huni say oye nipa. And the nipa bi hu Paa Kwesi Nduom say sebi o statue ebi a statue of food dwene. Paa Kwesi Nduom in 2015 time and that time there was its peak. When it comes to Nisika Nyemua 2014-15 and a Paa Kwesi Nduom nya sika kese on abrabum, he can come out and say we are lying. In Paa Kwesi Nduom's life, time a Paa Kwesi Nduom nya sika between 2012 and 2016. That was when he became rich. Paa Kwesi Nduom was not rich before 2012. He had money, but when we're talking about somebody whose business became successful and grew to a point where people recognized him around Ghana and around the world, it was between 2012 and 2016. The same time Paa Kwesi Nduom was making millions, having money and taking care of people. The same time, no, the government that was making Paa Kwesi Nduom's business flourish, Paa Kwesi Nduom was being able to operate in a conducive environment, business-friendly environment, you know. The same time, Paa Kwesi Nduom was campaigning against the same government that was helping him become a human being. And these are some of the things that Paa Kwesi Nduom extra on Twitter. Time and John Mahama, air president, Mr. S. What's that in terms of? Paa Kwesi Nduom said, we must vote out Mahama government and bring a leader who can create the enabling environment for businesses to grow and create jobs for our youth. 2015, now Paa Kwesi Nduom say yampamo Mahama ne yamfa ban a obetume create adwuma sa ban ne mra na mefa mmebunu adwuma. Paa Kwesi Nduom was campaigning for the NPP to come to power because the conducive environment na John Mahama money NDC create man na neni nso infantini to say neni brade sekotre. So he was campaigning and telling Ghana for say vote against the government that made me human being. And a Ghana for etutia NDC 2016. Omututia NDC MPP by no and juma. Today the same John Mahama now, you Paa Kwesi Nduom, you stood on different platforms to campaign against, John Mahama says when he's giving the nod, he will make sure he revives local banks. Your bank is included. John Mahama says when he's giving the nod, he's going to revive all local banks in Ghana, including your GN Bank. So you need to understand there are people who are visionary, people who think, and the people you were following in 2015 out of greed and with all due respect, say foolishness, those are people who never thought of Ghanaians and still don't think about Ghanaians. And you people are old enough. You people have been in this business for long to know who is a liar and who isn't. Paa Kwesi Nduom. Now the Dan Akufo-Addo, you Paa Kwesi Nduom, you knew Akufo-Addo never had a certificate. You knew Akufo-Addo was a drug addict. You knew the NPP was built on tribe and corruption. You knew the NPP was good for nothing. When you basically started linking up with Kufuor, you know what they actually did to you in parliament when you had one seat. So what will make you go ahead and say, Mamenkoye campaign in Tia Party 2012, 13, 14, 15, I'm about power, it is out of greed. Today, the same NDC flag bearer John Mahama is saying, because Ghana hodo, because people like you had good intentions before, but foolishness and greed made you lose focus. He's not going to basically, he's not going to pay you back from your foolishness. And we all know that you have learned out of your foolishness. You have basically sat down to understand it is not you are not supposed to hate people for no reason. As at your age, also we say adebia ukebiano and sunsanso. So the same John Mahama is telling you, I will save you if I get the opportunity to be president again. Because when you were a good businessman and making good money and your business was flourishing, you were employing Ghanaians, not dogs. So John Mahama understands it. When you Paa Kwesi Nduom, your GN Bank operates fully, Ghanaians will be employed. And that is the only way a leader, a government can employ its people. So in 2015, you were basically fooling yourself. With all due respect, I respect you a lot. But when you fool yourself, we need to tell you so that you don't fool yourself again. That is why you are here today. At this point, you are not even supposed to be on a platform campaigning or saying these things. You are supposed to be sitting now with government officials trying to find out why millions of youth have not been employed. But all those things you built out of greed, ignorance, and with all due respect, foolishness, you have lost everything. But it is not gone. Hope is not gone. You always have to sit back, reflect on issues, and speak to the young people and Ghanaians that this NPP government is bad news. This Akufo-Addo tribe government is a bad news. And that they are supposed to look at the bigger picture, which is the NDC that has done it before. So, as much as I'm advising you, I'm making you understand the words you use from today will decide the rest of your life. It will decide the rest of your life in business. It will decide the rest of your life as a human being, whether your track record, what you have built with your kit, you can continue. What you will say from today will decide whether it's going to come back or not. It is what you will do today. So, Paa Kwesi Nduom, you are old enough. You know more things than I do. You saw money before I saw money. So you can think smarter than myself. Inti Sebio ma adwene ni mbrafie na start kasa se panyini na ma Ghana fo ntia se sa nkwasiafo we ne gu medwuma ma nkofo adwuma gu ye inti Ghana fo ntuntia omo. Case closed. I don't have time on these kind of things. And the medwuma chira Paa Kwesi Nduom. Messias. All right, I got your message. Now, this is another calculation. Obezo mu se Ghana say Sebio nkwasiafo bi ne die so a calculation ye near to Chrome ha na see leaked IGP tape probe. Bugri na abu na no sa boto kam. Bugri na abu oto na oyo jumia. A year committee yet to finalize the report 2024 we January ton. And attachia Sakura, another Sakura dangerous man. Nitise achim police omo di works and house and okoda ho odi hosike nyina and so still nenimunte. We are asking a simple question. Under this government, right? I know sometimes you say you are being led by some fools who are parading as politicians, lawyers, elderly. They are typical nation wreckers. We are asking Atachia, Nitise Achim police. Mumusa say, police IGP probe no, sa leaked IGP tape na police for MPP police for including Dampare na omo coup police service number than MPP property. We want to know from Achim police Atachia say report no when we are almost in June. Hey, in some way, Kobu says you muadie, and yet it is very dirty people. These are dirty adults. One day they will mount stage and tell you that, you know, put your trust in us. How can I put my trust in an Achim police? Where is the probe? January, and a year probe in February. Yeah, called June. Probe no ewa hefa. We want to know. We want to know Dampare, the Oyeye. We want to know tape na mutieno. Bugri na abu. Sam kwasi afo some your police for the pesi probe no. How did it end? Where is the report no way? The committee was led by Atachia Utise Achim. Uti so se Achim police. Motete court, motete parliament en kwasia didn't kwasia politics. And the Ghana near Timno, ye musa question. Anyone who questioned this government and questioned Bawumia is an NDC person for some reason. A chair one question system no. A chair one question Bawumia Jimmy. A chair one question MP before Jimmy. Automatically you are an NDC person. We understand. We want to know the taxpayer paid for this meeting, this committee sitting. We want to know how far with this report. Won't me my report when I do Jimmy and I'm Ghana. Ekekam kwasi abro for parliament. Give us the report, because you see. When you people show us respect, that is the only way we will show you people respect back. It is reciprocal. So what bua and ye bu. Now mo de mo yesi nyina ye Jimmy. So obi akasa ebusa questions sir nipa ne Jimmy. Ma obi ebusa MPP for questions. This was taken care of. I'm talking about financially taken care of by the taxpayer. So taxpayers are asking you, dirty people. Sir Adewe report no way if you have finalized it. From January ever since there, more finalize the report no. And a Dampare and I'm Ghana. Dampare and Nanta and on the Ghana. And the police form Kobo to be seen there. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the police council, he is the head. On the Jimmy and Nananam. He has decided not to speak on it. These are the things we talk about. Majority of you politicians and adults in Ghana, you are dirty people. You are corrupt. God should kill you people. You are not good people. You are very evil men and women. You are playing on the conscience and on you see the weakness of the already weak Ghanaian. And you people hide behind politics. In Tatachia, we are asking a simple question. Utisa Achim police, where is the report?
Yo, it's for waiting and some of your kitty and the two guy with the catalyzation and by a Paa Kwesi Nduom. Now, no, there's some be ever two guy and no kitty Akofa catalyzation. Simbi out of a don't dramani Mahama and a jar with dinner size 7 so after 2D money a year Paa Kwesi Nduom. Now, can tell her and some go now run out here. The cow said, GCD so and our hand so we can subscribe. Yeah, Mr. Say over subscribe no like it. Now, watch a video number offer for so any be now wash it. Also, bet me at your working Afriyie and so we now will comment boxing. Mobati in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.